What's your name?
Miguel.
Miguel what?
Miguel.
What's your last name?
William.
That's your nickname. But your last name's Alfaro. Yeah?
Yeah.
How old are you? You're 4?
Yep.
Come here. See, that's thunder. Look, you got all scared. Where is that coming from?
Maybe that's the rain.
It's the rain, but I know.
Storm.
Maybe it's a storm?
Yeah.
You like storms? Not really, huh?
I would like to play games.
That's scary. Okay, you want to play games? Look at this face. Can you do your dance for me really quick right here? Okay. Let me see your dance that you were doing the other day. Oh.
Sophia.
But that one dance.
Break dance. Get down like the way Mala does it.
Oh, oh. How about that other one where you shake?
Like this, Boogie. I'm putting music on here.
Do that one for me one time. 1, 2, 3. I'll let you play my games. Stand up and do it. Woo! Okay, say bye.
Bye.